To charge your Apple Watch, first of all, you will have to get this magnetic charger. It comes as default with every Apple Watch. Now you will have to put this Apple Watch like so into the sensor. It will be automatically attached because we can find here some kind of the magnetic attachment. There we go. And right now, if you are wondering about the second end, so in my case, I've got USB-C end. You can plug it in into the any power adapter. Also, we can even do that with your phone. Take a look. If I'm gonna plug it in into my phone, it will start charging this device. Take a look. You can also plug it in, for example, into your PC, into basically any device with power supply and USB-C input. If you have USB-A end, basically if you have an older charger, so it actually looks the same, you can plug it in into your PC, into your monitor, TV, whatever. It will take around 2 hours to fully charge it. And that's basically everything for this video. Just a quick information for you, and thanks for watching.